Hi there. Do you like my little shadow? You want to learn how to do that? Or even how to make it rain? I'm here to show you how to do that. So, first, we double click and go over to the settings. Now, you can see them over here. We need to go to the little camera at the top. We scroll down until you find visual effects and you turn it on. Now, as you can see, I do have parameters on, so I'll just quickly turn them off for this, and it will shut off like that. So, first you go to select effect. You decide what one you want to do. If you want to do the rain, you go to weather effect. There you'll see rain strength or snow strength. You can decide if you want it in front or behind. You then just turn it on to however much you want. Pretty simple. You then click OK. I'll do snow, just as I don't have a snow one yet. You then click OK. You click done. Then you go to this cute little arrow that is pointing down. You then click new preset. And then you name it. No. After you've done that, you go over to your hotkey section. You scroll down until you get a new tab. You click it. Feel free to name it if you want. It just helps you know what each does. Then you go over to load visual effect preset. Then you select the preset. So this one would be snow. You then record what key you want it to be set as. And that way you can toggle the snow on and off. As you can see, it does take a second for it to calm down and to turn off, but you know, it's fine. Now I will show you how to do the shadows. So once again, we go to settings, we go to the webcam, we go to the effects. Ignore whatever that said. I do. You can also do like particle effects, background shift. There's a lot of stuff you can play around with. But I'll just do the basic. If you have a preset on, just turn it off. It just makes it easier to control. Go to backlight and outline. And then you get all these parameters. Now, issue is if you turn it on, it's gonna be glowing. Not particularly what you want. So the best way I found is just to turn everything off. Just as, you know, if you don't get rid of everything as a starting base, you're gonna find it pretty hard to make sure that, you know, it's fine. Then you just come down to the shadow offset and you can decide which way you want it. So X is the side to side, while Y is up and down. So I like to do not too drastic of a shadow, but enough that you can see it. Now it looks quite dark. If you like that, keep it. If you don't, go to the shadow color and go to the transparency. You can then decide how dark you want it. So I go about there, so you know, it's a shadow, but it's not overly dramatic. It just adds a bit of detail. I don't want it taken away from my model too much, so you know, it's a cute little shadow to help bring your character to life. And then what you'll do is, once again, you'll download a preset, new preset for it, and you'll repeat the same action as the rain one, where you'll just follow the exact same steps. It's pretty simple. I highly recommend just playing around with these effects. It can really quite cute on your model, so I think it really adds something. I would highly recommend you look into it, just to make your model stand out and pop a bit more. I hope this helped, and let me know if there's anything else. I will do my best to try and figure it out. Bye guys!